Hi, it's your girl Joy, and today we'll be talking about highly profitable digital skills in Nigeria. Would you like to discover digital skills that are in high demand in Nigeria today? It's no longer news that everything has gone digital, which is why you should learn digital skills in high demand that will land you that high-paying job, whether here in Nigeria or abroad. You may be wondering what these digital skills are. If you want to learn or equip yourself with digital skills in high demand, you should consider digital skills like data analysis, digital marketing, UI/UX, cloud computing, graphics design, product branding, and many more. These are few amongst the many digital skills in high demand today in Nigeria. No matter the kind of degree you have, you need digital skills to be successful in this digital age. This is because virtually all organizations in this digital economy need employees who have one or two digital skills. I will mention few criteria you should look out for if you want to equip yourself with digital skills in high demand. 1. You should consider a training school where they offer practical hands-on training. What do I mean by that? Less theories and more of practical. Another thing you should consider is a training school where a trainer is assigned to you. A trainer should be assigned to you for mentoring and coaching to better your understanding. The third thing you should consider is a less crowded classroom. And finally, you should be able to build a real-life project before you graduate as a way of testing your competence or what you have learned. Here at Bizmarrow Technologies, our courses are designed to improve your performances, give you a competitive advantage over your peers, and we also improve your chances of progressing into newer roles and opportunities. What are you waiting for? Why not register with us here at Bizmarrow Technologies to learn digital skills in high demand? You can visit our website to learn more and register today. You can also call the numbers on your screen for more information. Until I come your way again, learn digital skills that will help build your career in this digital economy. Bye!